Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Happy birthday to you.
Hot, yes, hot. It's so hot. Can you say hot? Hot. Hot.
Blow out the piano. Make a wish, bud. Make a wish. Yay! Yay! Yay!
You clap
did it! You did it!
Yay!
Clap hands! You did it!
Wow! Should we turn the light on, maybe?
Sure. That's your first cupcake. Is that good?
Did you taste it?
Is that good?
That's so good.
Is that good cupcake?
Oh, that's so
Is that good?
yummy.
It's pretty sweet, huh?
That's so good.
Have you ever had any sweets before? Maybe not.
That's good. Mm-hmm. You like that, I think. That's good.
Your mother made that for me from scratch. Took like 27 hours.
You like the frosting, huh?
That good frosting. It's good frosting. It's good frosting. Yeah.
There was a hot on there before, huh?
It was hot. What's gonna happen next?
This is so good. You're being so quiet. You like it?
Is that good?
Tsunami? It's so good. It's so good. It's very sweet, isn't it? It's your birthday cupcake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because how big are you? So big. What? You won. Wow. What? No. Yes. Are you shocked at how sweet that is?
You've never had sweet things before, have you?
You can eat it. No. Yes.